Who can go wrong with the cat in the hat? Let's go hang out with the cat in the hat.
And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him stepping on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me, look at me. I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my mat.
Do I
like this? Oh no, I do not. I don't think I'm a book. You see something new. And I call them thing one and thing two. They are cake. Oh, so cake. Then the cup here. No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat. What did you do?
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
Please remain seated. Keep your hands and feet inside the bed until you wrap up.
The Lorax is needed now more than ever because you don't want to live where the Onceler lives, guys. All these trees right here are all being deforested, just like everywhere else in the world. The last of the truffler trees are all that's left, guys. Keep in mind, no more trees, no more shade. You're out here being hot with the Lorax. So do what you can. Save all the trees and don't be like the Onceler.
And see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever.